This is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra smartphone, and today we would like to show how you can install the Fortnite game on it. So, as it is widely known, unfortunately we cannot get the Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store. Thus, just the first step that you need to take in order to, get the Fortnite is to open any search engine that you'd like. At the search bar of, the said search engine, type in Fortnite APK. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. Among the hyperlink options that it provides you with, you want to go for the download the app from Epic Games. Then just initiate the download of the file. Once it gets downloaded, you can open it. Prior to installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required that we allow, Google Chrome in my case, or any other browser or search engine in your case, to install unknown apps. That you can do by simply going for the settings option and turning this allow from this source toggle on. Now we'll confirm the installation, launch the Epic Games. In here, tap on this black Get button, located in front of a Fortnite game obviously, and then start the download process of the game itself. So, once the Fortnite files get downloaded, it is required that we give the Epic Games Launcher the same access we've allowed the Google Chrome, which is install unknown apps. So let's just repeat this process, confirm the Fortnite installation. And from here, once the app has been successfully installed, you can launch the game, and all that, separates you from being actually able to play it directly is the process of it downloading all the required resources, updates, and files. So, once everything that needs to be downloaded gets downloaded, you'll be able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.